Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is May 16th, 2012. This here is I believe it's a 1961 or 62. It's a 18 horsepower West Bend Commodore. I've had several requests to come out and run this motor for you, so that's what I'm doing. I had to dig this one out of the way back rack because it's been in storage now for about 5 years. Pulled it out of storage, fired right up. Runs good, just as always. Anyway, we're in the 14-foot Alumacraft T14S, and we're out here on Pickerel Lake in Nowland Township. So we'll give you a little demonstration on this sucker and show you how it goes. It's got a touchy throttle on it. Pepper's right at my knees. Well, I'm going to give you a little hole shot on it. This thing's got the cable-operated throttle on it, so it's kind of a touchy motor to run, but it's a lot of fun. It's got a lot of power. So anyway, here we go. The popular 18 horse West Bend. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye.